welcome back to Rolling with Riggs. It's Cody Riggs down here in Tucson, Arizona. Today we're going to be keeping up with those fundamentals that we've been talking about. We're going to do some technical stand-ups. These are great for self-defense, or we can still use them in like a competition sport type of scenario. We just have to do a couple of adjustments, but they're a great warm-up as well, okay? So I always keep these around. I always do these a couple times a week just to stay fresh, okay? So whenever we practice technical stand-ups, think we're wanting to get up in the easiest, safest way possible. So we don't want to just, do a sit-up, even if we're super young and athletic or, in great shape. We want to make this easy. So our first step is we're going to come up on our elbow here like this, okay? That's all we're going to do first. We don't need a post yet. We'll get there eventually. But after I come up on my elbow, I usually protect my head next. A couple of different ways. You can always, have your hand out, kind of pushing them away. We can have our hand on our forehead like this, protecting a little bit more, staying tight like we're blocking. Or we can always come all the way over top like this and create a helmet. I can still see out the side here and see in front of me just in case if anybody was trying to come at me, okay? But we need to protect our head here. So next, I'm going to come up on my hand. Boom. Notice whenever I'm up on my hand, my fingers are pointed forward. I like to have my fingers pointed forward. Sometimes they'll be out. I never have it backwards, though. The reason I never have my hand faced backwards is because then my arm is locked out. If somebody was to, fall on me or, they dove and tried to tackle me, my arm isn't going to bend. It's locked out, so I could always really hurt my arm, my shoulder, my wrist, that whole part of my body. So I want to have my fingers either pointed out or pointed forward. That way, if something does happen, I can always collapse, okay? And then I can rebuild back up and then go from there. But I can always collapse, Boom. Okay. Once we're up, you can see my other foot is already starting to come up. So I'm on my right hand right now. My left foot is going to plant, okay? That way, I have my opposites pushing up. So my right leg here is going to push out away from me. Imagine if somebody was in front of me, I could push them away with my foot. Now I'm going to bring my foot back and thread the needle, right? Bringing it through the hole. And I'm going to bring it right next to my hand. See how they're in a line here? All I am in is a deep squat. I'm going to stand up, and then I'm in my stance, ready to go. So once again, I come up on my elbow. That's my first step, right? Just making it easy for myself, making it easy on my torso, on my core. Then I'm going to protect my head. I'm going to have my hand over my head like this. Then I'm going to come up on my hand. Boom. All right. From here, I'm on my right hand again, so my left foot's going to plant. I'm going to bring my hip up. And once again, act like, we're trying to push somebody away from us. This is okay. We're allowed to do this. All right. From here, I bring my foot back and I thread the needle. Right. I'm in my deep squat and I stand up. So from the front view, once again, I come up on my elbow. Boom. I protect my head. Post on my hand. Opposite foot post. I'm going to rock and kick out. Bring my foot back and thread the needle. Stand up and I'm in my stance. So once again, I'm up on my elbow. Protect my head. Come up on my hand. Plant my foot. Push. Thread the needle. Come up. All right. So now we're going to talk about how we can use these in a little bit more of a practical sense, how we can practice them with a partner always. So our partner's there in front of us. Yeah, like they're trying to come at us. So here, I come up on my elbow. I'm still protecting my head. My foot is going to come out as I come up on my hand to push them away. I post. I come back to thread the needle, and I'm up in my stance, ready to go. So once again, we're here. They're trying to come at us. We push them away. We came up on our elbow. I can keep pushing here. I'm going to come up on my hand. I'm pushing. I protect my head, of course. I come up, thread the needle, and I'm in my stance ready to go. So once again, I'm here, I come up on my elbow. If I need to, I'm pushing away, keeping them away. Boom, come up on my hand, still pushing away. I'm up on my hip, thread the needle, come up. All right, so once again, we're here. I come up, I'm pushing Tyler away if I need to. I come up on my hand, still pushing away. My head's protected, my hip comes up. I come back, thread the needle, and I'm up ready to go. Now here is one of the ways we can always use this in like competition style scenario. Our partner or our opponent is on us, they took us down, their head is down on the middle of our chest, yeah. They're not really giving us space to work. We need to create space, whether it be we get up or we just get a better guard. So from here, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to open my guard and plant my feet like this. My knees are still tight though, so we can't just hop right over. From here, since Tyler is looking away from the camera to my left, I'm gonna take my right arm and push his head over to my left, okay? As this is happening, I will come up onto my left elbow while I'm pushing. I'm gonna keep his head away with a stiff arm the whole time as I come up on my hand. From here, my hips come up, I drag my leg through, threading the needle, and now I'm up. So now from the other side, Tyler's looking towards the camera this time, so I'm gonna push with my right arm as my guard opens and I plant my feet. I come up on my left elbow once again, stiff arming out, coming up to my left hand. From here, my hip comes up with my right foot planted. I pull my leg through, and I'm up, ready to go. All right, thanks for watching Rolling with Riggs. Hopefully you learned a little something from this. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you haven't liked and subscribed already, please do. It always adds to the channel. And have a great week. See you soon.